Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share screen on TikTok Live. Let's get started. Before you go live, you must be 18 years old. Your account must follow TikTok's community guidelines and usually you need at least 1,000 followers to unblock TikTok Live. Screen sharing is currently supported on mobile devices. Make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Then you must have strong internet connections, at least 10 Mbps upload speed, and it is recommended for smooth streaming. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data for stability. Then you must allow TikTok to record screen content, enable permissions for microphone and camera. Your device should have enough storage and RAM for smooth streaming, no active violations or restrictions on your TikTok account. Once you meet these requirements, you can start a TikTok Live, tap the share screen option and broadcast your device screen to your reviews. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.